Malayalam film industry viewers has been in the eye of storm over the allegations of sexual abuse after the Hema Committee report. Now, this report highlighted the rampant harassment and discrimination in Mollywood. Several actors are now coming out to share the harassment that they had to go through. The special investigation team formed to probe the case has started its investigations. Now, the issue has also taken a political turn with CPIM MLA and actor Mukesh being accused of rape and sexual assault. Sources say the CPIM has called for a meeting amidst the increasing pressure where there is a demand for the resignation of their party MLA Mukesh. He now has been charged with non-bailable offences including rape and use of criminal force against a woman with the intent to outrage her modesty. The opposition has been demanding his resignation, and that's the latest that we are getting. And we have some breaking news coming in, and this is with regards to how the NCW has now stepped in. The NCW is now requesting the Kerala government to provide the full version of the Hema Committee report. The report has been asked to be submitted within 1 week's time. There have been questions over the last few days as to why the entire report hasn't been made public by the Kerala government, and the report that has been made public only comes after 5 years after it was submitted to the Kerala government, and also it has not been made public in its totality. We have Varshini joining us. Varshini, more and more actors are speaking out, and now the NCW has stepped in. The NCW is seeking the entire report from the Kerala government. Take us through the latest.
Well, we all know that when the Hema Committee report was released for the public to view it, some parts of this report was not divulged because there were many reasons that were stated. Particularly, this report had carried some important names, carried some vital information that would not, be right to be put out in the public domain, is what was the main reason that was stated for the few pages that were, refrained from being going public. And now the National Commission for Women has now come and stepped into this matter with a lot of women victims coming out and speaking about their experiences. National Commission of Women has sought the Kerala government the entire report. They've asked them to give the entire report within a week's time. So the Kerala government, which has the complete report with them, they will have to immediately hand it over to the NCW. Only then will the NCW will be able to carry out their investigation as well.
Right.
And they are also, an important. They can also play an important role in this investigation to bring about the justice for all the victims who are speaking about their experiences in the Malayalam film industry.
Okay, so